Holy Batman, that's bright. Hi guys, well, so today I'm just doing loads of little bits, trying to get them out of the way. So what you see down here is one of two cars in the world. It was a prototype called the Road Rover. This one is a local guy, and the guy we do work for, Geoff Cousins, who's absolutely legend. Geoff's making panels, because obviously they don't exist, the ones that are rotted. The one that does exist, the other one, is in the Gaydon Motor Museum, British Leyland Motor Museum. I'll put a picture up. Not the prettiest of things there, and as you can see, it was based quite a lot on the Land Rover. So we've got to blast these all back. These are all the window frames at the back of it. So Geoff can try and make something off them because they're quite eaten in places. So today we have, let's show you what we've got kicking around in here. So, can I stand? There's the Rover panels. They are quite eaten in the corners. An engine deck, some full parts for modern historic. Massey Ferguson bonnet and panels. Guys in the middle of restoring. Ariel Bobber and all the parts for it. And then side for Unicorn kiosk for a K6. That's been in an accident. Just put you back there. So yeah, that's an insurance job. Someone's driven into side of a phone box, so they've got to repair it. So yeah, I'll put some more pictures up of the Road Rover so you can see. But yeah, today's the day. There's some more bits. Colin CA restoration. We've got a bonnet and some suspension parts for him. We've got the Formula 1 wheels to do. So today and tomorrow, that's my job. Get these out of the way. Then we've got the Mini and the Escort to crack on with. So yeah, let's give this all a go. that's a good old blast up. So yeah, some of these aren't too good. It's quite a nice metal what's but underneath it, but as you see, the old time has taken its toll on it. Probably known British Leyland. Wasn't great metal anyway. I know Baz the race car, he's on his third set of seals, and he was only on the road for 6 years, 7 years, I think. So yeah, so that's the bobber's done. All the Road Rover bits are done. So now I've got to prime it all up, and we can give Geoff a quick shout and come and get these. So priming up time. Okay, so that's Geoff's bits all done. So that's the Road Rover. Here they are, all primed up, ready to go. So Geoff will work his magic on that. And then also at the same time, I need to turn most of it off, the Ariel Bobber frame, all good. And loads of other bits. Keep trying to get through. So we just had the escort shell go. Haven't done it. The situation changed and the guy's got to take it back for the minute. So going to get through all the little bits and pieces we've got at the minute, and then I'm going to get on with the Mach 1 Mini. She's just sitting over there. So yeah, all looking quite good. So thank you for watching. Sorry it's been a bits one, or maybe it's been alright being a bits of one. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe. Slowly getting there, and I'm slowly keeping on top of all of this. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll see you next week.